In this video I'm going to show you how to change the slide duration of your Canva presentation. So it is very easy. Open your presentation and once you are there you will find this button right on top. Here you can edit the timing. Now you can select a timing for each different page, but you can also apply it to all pages. I would suggest to set a timing for each different page, because every page has different information to tell about. So if you would like to match the timing with the duration of your narrative for each page, then you can use the timer option. As you can see, if I click on show timer, then this timer will be popping up. Now if you want to see how long you will take to tell about this slide, then you can simply click on play, start telling about it, and once you are finished, then you can press pause. Now once you have done that, you know exactly how long it will take you to tell about this slide for your presentation. Then you can adjust it towards the duration. Always make sure you will extend it a little bit by dragging it just a few seconds above the duration, because you are not a robot. You will take a little bit longer sometimes, and sometimes you are a little bit faster. So that is my tip for the slide duration. And this is basically how you change the slide duration in your Canva presentation. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.